All right, welcome back. So this morning, we are moving forward with our healthy lifestyle goal, something that we've been talking about as we've eased into the new year. Here to help us with some tips and tricks is Medical Weight Loss Clinic Regional Director Kelly Smith. Kelly, so happy to have you here.
Thank you.
I think one of the things that a lot of people, I mean, myself included, is like you get so overwhelmed with fads, and now with social media, everything is in your face all the time. And so weight loss or healthy lifestyle changes can be a lot. So what are some of the things that you guys tell your clients or other people about how to ease into that?
For sure. Our patients come to us and they're constantly asking us, what else can I do to enhance my experience with medical weight loss? So we have lots of little tricks up our sleeve. So I brought a few for you today.
Okay.
My first trick is slow down. Slow down.
The eating slow down. Right?
Yeah,
slow
down.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's true, because people just like shove their face full of food, and I get it, tastes good, but then you're like...
When you're eating, I want you to think of the number 20. It takes 20 minutes for your brain to recognize that you are full.
20.
So most of us like throw down a lunch in 5 minutes.
Yeah, right.
Brain never knew you're full.
So is that like part of, are you talking about mindful eating,
Yes.
Kelly? Is that a little bit about
Absolutely,
that? Okay.
Absolutely. And if we slow down and we let our brain tell our body that we are full, here comes my other 20.
Okay.
The average American can lose 20 pounds in a given year by slowing down.
Really?
Yes.
Slowing down your eating and does that apply to other things as well, or just like...
Well, anytime we slow down, I know it's good for our stress levels, and that's cortisol and different things like that that can also affect your body.
When someone comes to you, though, the medical weight loss, is this, I mean, do you take their blood? I mean, do you look at their body structure? I mean, is there some physical something that makes people gain weight?
Mostly it's just what we're putting in our mouth.
Really?
But we do take blood on some of our patients. We have programs both with and without medication. We have physicians on staff. We take blood pressures. We take really good care of our people.
You've got water. It looks like that's a lot of water.
And this is my magic water bottle that I absolutely love.
Do you have one of these?
I
You
don't.
need one.
You need to get one.
Really?
You got to fill it twice a day and you're done with your water.
How much water should you have?
2 of these. This is 32 ounces.
32 ounces. And you
So
just
if you
drink
do
those
2, you've
constantly.
got your 8 glasses a day, you're done.
Yeah,
And you can jazz it up.
And you put some lemon in there, or
Sure. Well, the
cucumbers
lemon actually helps. That's one thing that we tell our patients is a great trick. All these beautiful fruits and veggies and herbs that we have here. I'm a lemon fan, as you can tell. It flavors your water a little bit, but the other great thing about lemon is it's got vitamin C. So it's going to help your immune system.
Yeah.
It also has a fiber in it that's from pectin, and that can help you make you feel full. So if you've got the lemon in your water, not only are you getting your water in, but you're feeling more full.
What about, you know, I mean, those things that people like, those additives that people like to put in their water, are those healthy? Would you say trade, you know, out those very... Yeah, I had a vitamin C packet because I don't like to get sick.
Right?
Maybe it's in my mind, but would you say trade out those packages for the fresh option? Are those
I would always say that because a lot of those do contain sugar. The ones that don't contain sugar contain additives to get that sugary flavor.
Right. So put an orange wedge or something in your water.
Yes, you got it. Throw in some raspberries, throw in some cucumber.
More alternatives.
Mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise. Do you recommend mayonnaise, Kelly, at the weight loss?
No, I recommend our healthy swap.
Oh my God.
Healthy swaps.
Where's Jason? Jason, come here. Take this mayonnaise out of here. Let's get it.
Get it away.
Oh, don't hit Kate.
Be gone.
But I think, good catch, Chase. But I think that's like part of your philosophy there. Just like for everything that tastes good that may not be healthy, you can find something else.
Yes. They're giving us the wrap here. Kelly.
Oh, he's got the real question.
I gotta ask
yourself.
Do you seriously, can you crave a pizza? Not forget all this stuff, healthy stuff. Is it okay to have a pizza with grease dripping off the side, pepperonis?
In moderation, my friend.
Nice.
Moderation.
How about wine? You okay with that too?
Moderation.
How much
Say
is
it again,
moderation?
Tim. Moderation. All right, folks, we've got all the details posted on the screen right now, the Medical Weight Loss Clinic. Kelly, thank you so much. Again, you know, I want to say this before we cut to break. Keep in mind, medical weight loss, be consulted. This is something that you really want to go and make sure you're doing the right thing. Stay healthy and make sure that, you know, you're doing what works for your body.
But don't go away. Stay with us for one more segment.
Yeah, we'll be here for you.
All right.
We'll be back after this break.
All right.
Thank you so much, Cal.
Thank you.
Look at this stuff too.
Oh, yeah, that looks yummy.